So the first place took IQ option. Broker does not work with traders from Russia and is very good for choice and traders from other countries, and it has many advantages. So the first one is own trading platform. The second, stable payments, excellent reliability, minimum deposit of $10, minimum investment amount transaction per $1, good supplier of quotations, many assets of trading, many indicators for technical analysis of the schedule. The platform allows for a full technical analysis of price charts. The broker is very friendly for starting traders, many different types of options, and the ability to trade on cryptocurrency. So basically, you see this platform on the screen right now. This is IQ option. So the second place took Binomo. Broker's advantages: own trading platform, stable payment, excellent reliability, minimum deposit of $10. The minimum amount of investments in the village is only $1, and many assets for trading. So on the screen we see the Binomo. Third place, binary options took Pocket option. Broker advantages: own trading platform, stable payments during the day after approval of the withdrawal application, minimum deposit of $50, minimum investment amount is in transaction is only $1, many trading assets, many indicators for chart analysis, a lot of different bonuses that do not interfere with withdrawal. There is a function of copying transaction of other traders. So that is all for now, my dear friends. Thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for your comments. Don't forget that all the useful links are under this video, and see you on the next time. Bye!